Hi everybody, and welcome to the first episode of Secret Suppliers, where I share my black book of interior design suppliers with you exclusively. Okay, so the first supplier I am taking you today is Anka Metals. They are really well known for doing liquid metal effects. Now, they do some of the most incredible effects and textures. These textures and effects can be added to cabinetry, to pretty much anything you want. It really can change a piece of furniture, or you can make a completely bespoke piece of furniture and add the metal finishing to it. They don't just do liquid metal effects, they actually also do different resins which you can use. Some of them are absolutely incredible. They do a lovely gloss finish over some of their resins, which is really lovely. And they can do the same thing with different timber effects. So really it's a lovely way to use a material to create something much more beautiful out of your own designs. A really special possibility that you have with Anka Metals that you don't necessarily have with other specialist finish suppliers is that Anka Metals will also actually create your bespoke furniture for you. So they do have a manufacturing capability outside of London where they can actually make bespoke furniture for you with their products and their liquid metal finishes and their other finishes on top. So that's something that's really unique to Anka Metals. Next, we have Milaaya Embroideries. I did not know how astounded I would be by their product. This company can pretty much embroider anything, any fabric, any area, and their embroidery is exquisite. There is nothing more beautiful than elevating a simple piece with embroidery. Now you can go as simple, and you can go as detailed as you like. You know, you can use beads, diamantes, simple embroidery with thread, different types of thread, and you can really do anything. I mean, the world's your oyster when it comes to embroidery, and these guys can really do it. What I really love about them is they produce their own designs. They can do designs that you've created for them, and they can also give you ideas on designs. So really you've got the whole range and spectrum of ways to produce a design that you want. One thing to note for newer designers out there, suppliers will come out to you, and if you ask and you want to see certain designs, people will come out to you. They may not have a showroom, but they're happy to come and see you and come and bring their samples. Most suppliers will do the same thing, so don't be afraid to ask, and it's absolutely worth the question because you get immense value from seeing these products in the flesh. Okay guys, moving on to Khalique. Now Khalique has been around for some time. He has some incredible experience in the world of specialist finishes, and his finishes are simply astounding. And they range from fabrics to stones to metals to ceramics to engraved leather and laser cutting. There is nothing that you cannot find at Khalique. The range of possibilities when you walk into his store, which is based on the Lots Road, is just endless. Making a regular visit to somewhere like this isn't just important, it's essential. Book something like this in once a month as a designer, because you may not have a project on, you may not need a specialist finish for a project that you are working on. But if you make a point to go to somewhere like this monthly, once a month, once every few months even, it will raise a range of possibilities in your mind and inspire you endlessly. There's something about being surrounded by beautiful materials, handcrafted materials. For any designer, walking into somewhere like this really gives you food for thought and for design. So, do it, plan it in. If you don't put something like this in your diary, you end up missing it being too busy. So, stick a visit like this in once every few months, once a month if you really can, and just be inspired. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. It would mean a huge amount to me. Some of you already know I have a goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers, and I would love for you to subscribe if you like what you're watching and you want to see more. I think that's it. Break time. Oh God.